Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. Microsoft keeps releasing updates for Windows operating system that are important to make PC updated, performance will be improved, and to be more safe and secure. However, there have been reports from users getting we couldn't install this update, but you can try again error message during the installation process of the update. There are solutions that you can do to fix this, and it will be discussed in this video. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Utilizing the Windows built-in tool is helpful because it scans and detects the computer for problems and suggests fixes if any problems are found. In addition, the troubleshooter checks system files associated with updates for problems. Here's how to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click Start. Click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security, then click Troubleshoot at left pane. At right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Windows will now search for problems. Next, follow the on-screen instructions if a fix is needed. If there are no problems found, click Close to exit. Check to see if Windows Update error code still occurs. If it is, move on to the next solution. Second solution, reset Windows Update Service. Resetting Windows Update Service can help fix the error message that appears by resolving issues caused by corrupt system files or Windows Update cache that may be the culprit for the error message, preventing the update from being installed correctly. Try this solution and then check if the error message will be fixed. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type services.msc and press Enter. Now scroll down and locate Windows Update Service. The services are arranged alphabetically to easily locate a service. So for this case, Windows Update Service is located somewhere far below. Right-click on the service and then select Restart from the drop-down menu. Right-click on the service again, and then click Properties. Now make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. Click Apply to apply changes made, and then click OK to exit and confirm. Check to see if Windows Update error code still occurs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.